going to take a ride out of the building that he's really not going to be happy with. He worked really hard. What do you say? Give him a great big round of applause, Mr. Gary Porter. Well, you know, Butch, you make friends in the sport of pulling nationwide. And I have visited with this man right here quite a bit this week, and he is very interesting to speak with. Now, if I could understand French, I could talk to him easier. You mean you can? No. Not at all. But ladies and gentlemen, Charles Pelletier, coming to us from Canada. That's a quarry up there, is what it does for business. You see the name CP Dream. And I thought, okay, that would stand for Charles Pelletier's Dream 1. But Consonage Pelletier, the name of the quarry, is what it is. And this is only one of 2 tractors. He'll be coming with 2 tractors in his pulling world next season. It's a 6230 John Deere. He pulls across Quebec and Ontario, that's the French-speaking part of the world up yonder. You remember a tractor by the name of Crazy Canoe? Yeah, that's Patrice Beaudry. Right. Well, this tractor's got some of that waving around on it. Patrice has helped us along the way. Okay. Patrice always had some really innovative ideas. Well, this gentleman right here is just so proud that he received the invitation